Hi, Abusufiyan.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah. So this is Aruna from Quality Department, Abusufiyan. I just want to take a learning feedback from your side. So can you introduce about yourself, Abusufiyan?
Okay, ma'am. Myself, Abusufiyan Pachapuri, and I'm from Belgaum. I've completed my graduation from SGBIT Institute of Technology, and before that, I have done diploma also.
Okay. So which year passed out are you?
In, ma'am, in the year 2021.
Okay. So you passed out in the year 2021. So how did you get to know about CMTI, Abu?
Okay, ma'am. By my friends, I got to know here.
Okay. So what and all you learned in CMTI?
Ma'am, means I have learned many things like bar bending schedule, quantity survey, and another means learning means step-by-step procedure for construction, designing, interior designing, construction management, and all that.
Okay. So what about your software training and all? How was that, Abu?
It was fine, good, ma'am.
Fine. So coming to your site visits and all, how was that?
Yeah, ma'am, it was good. But I have visited, means we got only 2 to 3 site visits, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So how was your trainers and all, Abu? Who was their approach to you, whether they were clearing your doubts and all?
Yes, ma'am, they were clearing my doubts, and it was good to talk with them.
So what about CMTI app and all? Can you tell me about that?
Means I have got access of all about my CACM course, and they told me about I'll be getting 3 years. Means I can access to it, and I'll be having means what I have learned. They have provided me all the recordings and everything.
So what about the staffs of CMTI, Abu? How was their coordination?
The staff, ma'am, it was good enough to talk with them, and they were good to means if we are having any doubts, they should rectify it, ma'am.
Okay. So can you tell me about your confidence level before joining CMT and after joining CMTI?
Because before, ma'am, I could not speak with the person's front. Now I can having means I am having the courage to speak in front of that, and I can tell whatever I want, ma'am.
So now you are stable to speak, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So how was Ashok sir, Abu Sufyan? Can you tell me about him?
He is good person, and he's helping me a lot. Me because I was means I've told him once that I wanted to go in BIM field. He told me you can go there and you can join there. They are the best in their field. So he have provided a good assistance for me.
So you had a good career guidance from him.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Abu?
Ma'am, it is a good course for them. You can join, ma'am. And that's it.
Thank you, Abu Sufyan. Thank you so much for your feedback. All the
Okay.
best for your future and congratulations for your placements.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Abu.